Hey, I'm Kate from Kate Sparks Design and welcome back to my home. The reason we embarked on the backyard renovation was because we wanted to provide an area for our children to relax, enjoy family time, have friends over, and for us to be able to entertain. The reason I chose modular walls for the pool area was because I wanted something that was timeless and something that was classic, and so I wanted it to be cohesive with the rest of the backyard renovation. I wanted to bring the modular walls right through in a way that I hadn't already used it. One of the biggest design factors for me in this backyard reno was having something that would block my children's noise. I know that sounds ridiculous, but I have the loudest kids. So with the acoustic barrier of the modular walls, it was a perfect opportunity to use it as an external boundary wall. Now, even though you do set out to do a DIY project, there is times where you are going to need experts to help you along the way. So this was a massive project for hubby and I to take on together, and there were some things that we were more than happy to hand across to the experts. And one of those was the modular wall behind me. It needed to meet code, and we wanted it to be secure and also look its best, as it's a giant feature. So don't be afraid to reach out and invest a bit of your budget within professional trades when you're doing a DIY project, because sometimes it's the best answer. So when it came to us, modular walls was an absolute must for me and our family. So if you're looking at tackling a backyard renovation, I would definitely recommend modular walls as part of your project. It is easy to follow step by step, and the team behind modular walls are so helpful. They're ready to answer any questions that you have, and trust me, I had a lot of questions, and so did hubby. So knowing that the team of modular wall staff is there, ready to help you, is an absolute benefit and something you don't find easily these days with companies.